Here we are in Carrollton, Georgia, and there's tornado warnings probably about, what, an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours away?
Say what?
I'm making a video.
I know.
Probably like an hour and 2 hours away for the tornado warnings.
Yep.
And
Too close for comfort.
too close. How do you think? What's your input on it?
I think it's too close for comfort. Hello, it's raining cats and dogs.
Yeah, let's.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Down here in Georgia, it's raining cats and dogs.
Oh my lord! See some fried chicken.
Our chickens are gonna drown. No more fried chicken.
At least we got our swag tied.
It is raining out there. Maybe a tornado will come through and we'll get to experience their tornado life.
And then them cute southern boys will come say, Jessica.
I like the southern boys.